Hi friends! Do you want to make the existing pins or boards that are visible to the public as secret on your Pinterest account? You can't edit a public board to make it secret. You can only create a new secret board and then pin from a public board to a secret one. Here's how this is done. Open a web browser on your computer. Type www.pinterest.com in the address bar and then press the Enter key. Click on the Login button, and from here you can log in with your Facebook account, Google+ account, or Twitter account. If you already have an account on Pinterest, then enter its credentials and click on Login. Click on your profile name at the top of your Pinterest homepage to view all your boards. Now to create a new secret board, scroll to the bottom of the page and then click on Create a Secret Board. Give a name to the board and write its description. Once done, click on the Create Board button. Now we have a secret board that we named as Tech Videos Collection. Click on your profile name again to view all your boards. Now click to open the board whose pins you want to hide from the public. Here we are clicking on the Computer Support Videos board. Click on Move Pins. Select the pins you want to move or copy to the newly created secret board. Click on the Copy button. Select the newly created secret board, that is Tech Videos Collection, and then click on the Copy button. See, you have successfully copied the pins to the newly created secret board. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching.